Since taking on cross-government responsibility for digital and data last year, I can see the enthusiasm and desire that exists in our public services to use digital to make people's lives better in Wales. The Centre for Digital Public Services is a key part of this. Whilst it's a young organisation, the Centre has created a buzz in our public service organisations about how digital can help us to solve common problems together. It's this digital approach, based on collaboration, iteration and user-centred design, that puts people at the heart of what we do. This year, the Centre has supported the Welsh Government in using digital effectively to respond to great challenges. This includes our Nation of Sanctuary programme to support those fleeing the war in Ukraine and ensuring people could access help during the cost of living crisis. More widely, the Centre has worked in partnership with a wide variety of public service organisations who want to provide better user-centred services. It's worked with Digital Health and Care Wales, for example, to modernise the way medicines are prescribed and administered in our hospitals. It supported delivery of local government transformation projects, explored how best to attract, recruit and retain digital talent in our public sector, and championed new digital apprenticeship pathways. These are really important pieces of work and will help to drive us towards the ambition in our digital strategy for Wales, for public services to be modern, accessible and convenient. Harriet and Myra, along with Chief Digital Officers for local government, Welsh Government and Health and Care, have made real progress in leading an open and digital culture in Wales. Of course, it isn't all plain sailing. In times of crisis or when budgets are stretched, it's easy not to prioritise modernising services. I want us to collectively see, however, that digital is not something that's a nice to do. It's a critical enabler to help solve problems in a more efficient way now and for future generations. In the coming year, the Centre has much to do. I'm looking forward to seeing how it supports us to realise the benefits of investing in digital and bringing people together to design better public services based around the needs of those who use them.